Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use CryptoFun. First, you'll need to create an account and complete the verification process. This usually involves providing some basic personal information and linking a payment method. Once your account is set up, you're ready to explore the platform's features and begin your crypto journey with ease. Adding funds to your CryptoFun account is straightforward. You can link your bank account or a debit card for quick transfers. The platform supports several deposit options, making it easy to get started. Just choose your preferred method, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction to begin investing in digital assets. With funds in your account, buying and selling crypto is simple. Browse the available cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum and decide which ones you'd like to purchase. Enter the amount you wish to invest, review your order, and confirm. Selling is just as easy, allowing you to manage your portfolio effectively and efficiently. CryptoFun provides tools to help you manage your portfolio effectively. You can view your investment performance, track gains or losses, and set up custom alerts for price movements. When you're ready to withdraw, the process is secure and user-friendly, ensuring you have full control over your digital assets and earnings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.